Make a great choice today with the 2021 XC40. The Volvo XC40 is a compact SUV built with safety in mind. A wide variety of technology aids assist in keeping passengers safe. The XC40, however, has not forgotten about handling, refinement, and ride comfort, all of which make this vehicle one to consider. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.